So now certain parts of your life are going to be limited because you decided to do something silly. People commit crimes. They are not at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Welcome to Elite Justice Network.
It's calling 2023 CR 0289, State of Texas versus DeAndre Marquis Jackson. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Jorgens for the state.
Defense?
Keith King.
And are you Mr. Jackson?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I believe I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Jackson, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
A little bit, miss.
Well, what don't you understand about it?
I had a question on Dave. He said something about state jail, so will I have to go to state jail to?
No. I want you to pay attention to the questions that I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am.
And then as we go through, if there's a question that you have about whatever I'm asking you about currently,
Yes, ma'am.
then we can address that.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the charging instrument. This is the True Bill of Indictment.
Yes, ma'am.
It's telling you what you're charged with. It's telling you when the offense date is, and it's telling you who the complainant or victim is. Did your attorney review that with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you understand you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Meaning, like, did I accept that they're offering?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And so you don't want a jury trial, is that correct?
Like, what do you mean?
Do you want to go to a jury trial?
Oh, no, ma'am.
All right. So you want the court to accept the plea that you made with the state, is that correct?
Is that what I signed for, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is.
Mr. Jackson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am. I just have a question.
Just 1 second. Are you satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have questions about that?
I have 106 days credit time, and I was a trustee. So, how long will I have to do at the state jail? The whole 6 months?
All right, let me explain this to you. So I usually give everybody credit for any time that they've served.
Right.
So you'll receive credit for any time that you served. Now, the fact that you're telling me you are a trustee at the Bexar County Jail,
Yes, ma'am.
that's something that the jail does. I'm not in charge of giving you 3 for 1 or 2 for 1. Yes. So what will end up happening is if I follow your agreement, when you're sentenced, the sheriff's department will show how much good time you have.
Yes, ma'am.
The only thing I'm going to be able to give you credit for is whatever flat time you've done.
Right now. Yes, ma'am.
You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Sure, I know I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Then to the offensive charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, right?
No.
No contest.
Stated, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. The state offers Exhibit 1, the defendant's waivers and stipulation of evidence, as well as the discovery acknowledgement for this case.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor. However, the police report seems to be rather lengthy and includes other defendants, I believe, besides me.
Right.
All right, so any objection?
No objection.
All right, Mr. Jackson, showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I encourage the court to follow the plea bargain beyond that.
All right, so, excuse me. You all are right behind the court reporter. She's trying to hear. That's okay. Yes.
I've asked the court to give my client credit for the time that he has served and to have the court take into consideration as much as possible the fact that he is a trustee in the Bear County Jail.
Why are you taking vehicles that don't belong to you?
No.
Here's the thing. I've read the police report. Please do not come with me with nonsense that there's some random person driving around in a Dodge Durango that you don't know who stops and asks you for directions, and you get in, and the next thing you know, this random person that you don't know is saying, "Hey, let me loan you my Dodge Durango, complete stranger." So why are you doing this?
I just wasn't thinking. I just was not being stupid. Wrong place, wrong time.
No, it's not wrong place, wrong time. When people commit crimes, they are not at the wrong place at the wrong time. Maybe it's an opportunity presents itself, and the person who's in the I don't understand, and mind you, people will say, Judge Boyd, that's the complainant. But then I don't understand why a complainant is going to a hotel, meeting up with a person she doesn't know, and then letting them go in their vehicle, then come back in their vehicle, then they sleep and they wake up and the person is gone. I'm assuming that was you. But how old are you?
I'm 23 now.
And where are your parents?
My parents, they're out there.
Out where?
Out like working and doing their thing. But I was just kind of really doing my own thing.
While you're doing your own thing is crime. That's a question. Why is your own thing criminal activity?
I don't have no answer to that.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Getting my life together
How?
by changing my life around.
How?
Just going to go get a job and doing the right way.
How far did you go in school?
I finished school.
And then what did you do?
Just let my life go to the streets.
Why? Here's the thing. This is a conviction. It's a felony conviction. So now certain parts of your life are going to be limited because you decided to do something silly instead of getting a job. If you want a vehicle, get a job.
Yes, ma'am.
There are plenty of Dodge vehicles out there. And guess what? After the warranty
This courtroom hearing looked like another routine vehicle theft case. But within minutes, it turned into a harsh reality check that changed the entire atmosphere. 23-year-old DeAndre Jackson stood before Judge Stephanie Boyd facing a serious charge: unauthorized use of a vehicle, a state jail felony. The process began normally. Rights were explained, documents were reviewed, and the court confirmed a plea agreement that would send him to state jail for 6 months. But as the hearing moved forward, something felt different. DeAndre seemed confused about his sentence. He repeatedly asked questions about credit time and whether he would actually have to serve the full punishment. And then the court accepted his guilty plea. For many hearings, that would have been the end. But not this one. Judge Boyd had read the police reports, and she clearly wasn't buying the explanation behind the crime. She directly asked him, "Why are you taking vehicles that don't belong to you?" DeAndre tried explaining it away. He called it a bad decision. He claimed he wasn't thinking clearly. And then he used a phrase heard in courtrooms all the time. Wrong place, wrong time. But that answer immediately changed the tone. Judge Boyd shut it down. She looked directly at him and said, "People who commit crimes aren't at the wrong place at the wrong time." The courtroom suddenly became silent. Then the judge continued. She questioned why a young man who had finished school would choose the streets over building a future. She reminded him that this wasn't just another mistake. This was now a felony conviction, a decision that would follow him long after he walked out of jail. She explained how one choice could close doors for years. Jobs, opportunities, even basic parts of life. Then came the line that hit hardest. If you want a vehicle, get a job. The judge wasn't only talking about a stolen car anymore. She was talking about choices, about shortcuts, and about how quickly someone's future can disappear. When the court looked into his history, they discovered previous offenses involving drugs and other vehicle-related cases. The judge then delivered the final sentence. 6 months in state jail, credit for time already served, and one final warning. If you don't change your ways, you're going to find yourself living in prison. Because in that courtroom, the biggest punishment wasn't just 6 months behind bars. It was realizing how one bad decision can slowly become an entire lifestyle.